Hello, my name is Muhammad Radman and I'm here to give you a look at my bachelor final year project. It's a paradigm shift in the concept of home care through the use of modern technologies, including Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and web technologies, and desktop development. So let's get started then. Symptoms declare the type of diseases that may affect human beings. Although the symptoms is very annoying, it provides signs to warn the people that the body is facing a problem. Some symptoms are experienced at the different times. Some may be noticed, while some may be slight and not realized until late for a variety of reasons, including what may be overlooked until almost forgotten and hard to remember, especially when visiting a doctor, which will be more difficult to diagnose and control the disease. In addition to the difficulty of monitoring symptoms earlier to detect cases by the government agencies, to give a recommendation about the health status and the different type of disasters that may occur. In serious cases, the delay in detecting symptoms may increase the chance of disease spreading among families and may reach the entire community, which created challenges to control the spread of the disease, and this is what happened in COVID-19 pandemic. And now we will discuss some other problems that the purpose system will help to solve it. Lack of awareness of diseases and symptoms due to the lack of information, inaccessibility, and inaccuracy causes people to come to the healthcare facilities when their diseases reach a late stage, which leads to the low chance of effective treatment. When the general public is informed about the disease and its symptoms, they are more likely to take precautionary measures to avoid contracting it or visit a doctor for medical check. But lack of knowledge prevents them from doing either these things. Another problem is difficulty taking care of oneself. It's important to keep a record of any symptoms to help give an accurate report to the assessed diseases. Some people may have difficulty taking care of themselves for many reasons, including the presence of some physical diseases, especially psychological diseases, which make it difficult for the patient to record the symptoms. In addition, some people may say that recording symptoms is a waste of time because it's required daily effort and it's not possible to notice all symptoms that may affect a person. Another problem is neglecting the medical check despite the presence of symptoms and non-adherence to the social distancing rules. Non-compliance with the government laws and regulation that provide for the earlier detection of the relevant diseases in the event of symptoms. Although many individuals follow the rules, there are those who do not. Last problem is difficulty obtaining adequate data for the health studies. For example, in early January, the United Kingdom began rolling out the AstraZeneca vaccine, but in March 2021, a dispute begins over whether the vaccine causes blood clots. In conclusion, the lack of data on the various side effects of the medication and surgeries make it difficult to develop and reach high efficiency solution in the shortest time. And now, let's go through the first system. First of all, by using the Internet of Things technology, a desktop application was developed and installed in a Raspberry Pi and then installed in the home wall. With an internet connection, touchscreen, body temperature sensor, microphone, speaker, and other accessories. The system will receive data from the medical sensor, face and emotion recognition, and natural language processing, and some other support computer accessories to be analyzed and processed and then stored in the system, and ending with the providing some feedback to the user. In addition, face recognition technology will be used to capture the face of the user passing in the coverage area around the device, to identify it to the system and prepare to record and capture that data in the category assigned to the recognized user. Face recognition technology will help to save time and effort and reduce the manual work that the user may do to inform the system of the person using the system at the specific time. Furthermore, emotion recognition technology will be used to capture the user's feelings, which is very important to be recorded because the emotions explains the user mood, which can involve in clarifying some type of symptoms. Moreover, natural language processing will be used to give the user the ability to talk with the system and perform some tasks and answer various questions that the system may ask a specific user, such as asking about the time the user used to sleep and woke up, and whether the user slept well in the day previous, and many other questions and tasks that can be accomplished using this technique. Furthermore, through using a medical sensor, which is the body temperature sensor, some symptoms that appear on the user will be captured and stored in the system in a categories assigned to the symptoms, in addition to the sorting this data under the username that was recognized through the facial recognition feature. After discussing the symptom tracker system that installed in the symptom tracker device, and that device will be installed. Now, let's try the system together.
Login successfully. Welcome and have it installed Homecare symptoms answer. Recording symptoms area. Please wait. Recording emotional state in progress. Please make sure your face is shown. Recording emotional state has been done. Your emotional state is here. Please be ready for recording body temperature. Scaling body temperature started. Please put your finger on the sensor. Scaling body temperature has been done. The symptoms question has been started. Please answer the following question. Do you have headache? Because headache is considered a sign of various diseases. Note, please answer the question in the details if you have.
No, I don't have it. After the symptoms was recorded through the device installed at home. And now the user need to access this data. That was the purpose of the user management system. Let's get started.